Okay, so this is your phonics book for the week, and you're going to notice here that you have lots of short vowel sound words. So let's read this first one. Okay, at. What's the word? At. Read the next row. At. What's the word? Hot. Read the next word. Et. What's the word? Net. See, this book, A Hot Job, written by Lewis Alley, Decoder Reader 1, is going to help you with your phonics. So we just reviewed all the short vowel sounds, so all these words have the short vowel sounds. Okay, let's look at this word. This word right here. Read it with me. B-a-g-s. What's the word? B-ags. Bags. Next word. It. What's the word? It. Next word. Nuts. What's the word? Nuts. Next word. B-ig. What's the word? Big. Next word. J-et. What's the word? Jet. Next word. R-i-m. What's the word? Rim. B-ox. What's the word? Box. Next word. J-a-b. What's the word? Job. S-e-l. What's the word? Sell. Next word. K-a-n. What's the word? Can. Next word. L-e-s. What's the word? Less. Next word. T-a-p. What's the word? Top. Okay, so you read these by yourself. Let's go over these sight words, these high frequency words. You should know these words, to see them, read them fast, right? So the first one is away. What's the word? Away. The next one is than. What's the word? Than. The next word is each. What's the word? Each. The next word is they. What's the word? They. The next word is goes. What's the word? Goes. The next word is which. What's the word? Which. The next word is, no, that says which, like which one is mine. Okay, the next word is looks. What's the word? Looks. The next word is with. What's the word? With. And the last sight word is put. What's the word? Put. Like I put a book on the table. So this is good practice for your short sounds.